Okay, you tubes, guess what it's doing outside again? Snowing. She's coming down pretty good, so we're gonna have to use the snowblower again, tubes. I'll let you see the snow one more time. Oh yeah, she's coming down pretty good. Well, there's not enough out here yet, but she's gonna be coming down. She's coming down pretty good, and we'll wait till it accumulates a little bit more, and we'll be using the snowblower. So we'll have to wait for the city plow to go by and stuff. So then we'll break the old blower out and have some fun out in the snow. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel.